Hi friends, this is Dr. Abdequaem Chimthanawala. Today in continuation with the skin therapeutics which I have been putting on YouTube, and I hope you must be seeing and watching it and it is helpful in your practice. Today I'll take the remedy Bryonia alba. Yes, Bryonia alba, such an important remedy. I know most of you must have used in your practice day in and day out. But now the skin symptom of Bryonia alba. There are sometimes very important and keynote symptoms of some remedy which normally we forget because we know the other symptoms of those polycrest remedies. One of them is Bryonia. In Bryonia, remember, skin cracks, fissure and ulcerated. There are lots of remedy where the skin is cracked, ulcerated and fissured. I'll not name the remedy because I have told this remedy on the YouTube. You can go and see the YouTube of skin. But Bryonia is also there. And the most important symptom that you should remember in Bryonia in regards to this modality is skin has cracks, fissures after washing. Yes, whenever this word comes after washing, there are so many remedies you must think about with Bryonia. And the most important remedy that you should think about is, or we think about in these cases are arsenic album, pulsatilla, chamomilla, and of course, sulfur is also there. Sulfur is always there in these type of complaints, and if you have seen my videos, I have described a lot of remedies where the skin has cracks, skin has fissures after washing. Bryonia is also there, which we seldom think about and use in our practice. Do think about Bryonia in this complaint also. Next, the eruptions of Bryonia, very important, very peculiar, and that is eruptions of horny eruptions. Whenever the word horny eruptions comes in our mind, the first remedy that comes in our mind is antim crude. It is there, but Bryonia alba is also there. And whenever we are treating cases of pimples, and those sometimes become very difficult to treat, the pimples of Bryonia are also so very important. The pimples of Bryonia are pointed. If you touch it, it will hurt you. Chubhenga. That is a Bryonia, very important symptom of Bryonia pimple. That is, pimples are pointed. And whenever you have these symptoms of pimples are pointed, do think about arsenic album also. There are other 3-4 remedies that you can go home and read in your mathematics and see the repetitive. But Bryonia and arsenic album. So important is this symptom, that eruptions, which I told horny, and eruptions are also pointed in Bryonia alba. You can see eruptions are pointed. You can see the tip of the eruption. You touch it and it pricks you. That is such an important symptom of Bryonia alba. Of course, this is a very important symptom of arsenic album also. But Bryonia alba is also there. Next, Bryonia alba is a very important remedy for children if they have rash-like eruptions. Think about Bryonia alba, think about chamomilla, and do think about sulfur. But in this symptom, 2 remedies very important, that is Bryonia and chamomilla. Next, going to urticaria, which a lot of people have asked me these questions in my YouTube live, in my Instagram live, in my Facebook live. Every time there is one question about urticaria. Let me tell you something very interesting thing about urticaria of Bryonia. It is said that eruptions or urticaria or natal rash after food. You must think about Bryonia. Of course, after food, if there is natal rash or urticaria, there are 2-3 remedies. Those are very important. You should think about that. The first is arsenic, pulsatilla, and antim crude. After food, in Bryonia, important which food after is important. In Bryonia, it is said that eruptions or natal rash or urticaria after eating strawberries. Yes, my friends, strawberries. So whenever the patient comes and tells you, I have eaten strawberries yesterday and today I've got a lot of natal rash and urticaria, think about Bryonia alba. And one more thing, Bryonia alba skin, which has crossed my mind just now, is that the skin of Bryonia, there is pain, there is burning, there is smarting after getting heated. This is a very important symptom of Bryonia. Getting heated could be from the sun, getting it from the sun or in the warm weather, in the warmth, anything. The body has to get heated and there is pain, there is burning and there is smarting of skin in Bryonia alba. There are other lot of symptoms of Bryonia alba, but these symptoms I have seen in my practice and prescribed Bryonia alba, of course, with other symptoms which individualizes the case, and that has given me a lot of good results. Sometimes, a particular symptom will guide you and get entry into that remedy or the case which we're taking. So, my dear friends, if you like this video, do share and subscribe. Thank you.